Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing a September inventory update. Now this only reflects our Northern Nevada storefront inventory, our current inventory. So we're going to go over our stock right now so you guys have an idea. Now some of you guys that are out of state, again, always call before ordering. Inventory this year will be continuously very fluid. Hopefully with no additional supply chain interruptions, but there's no guarantee. So again, this is for our September inventory update at our Northern Nevada storefront. We do have a gray Raptor 200 by TaoTao Motors, two-wheel drive. You guys can look this puppy up. We have the TBR7 here in green. We have a lineup of Z20 Max and standard size 125cc dirt bikes. Come down and check this out, you guys. We do have here the TForce XR model, which is the upgraded version from the standard TForce. We have burgundy Boulders in stock. We do have the Rival brand. Again, the Rival brand is a subsidiary of TaoTao Motors. So it's their higher quality premium line of youth and kids ATVs. We do have a TForce here in tree camo. More upgrade T-Forces. We have the 125D model, which is a 110 in red spider. We'll go around to the side here. We have that 125D here in burgundy, as well as we have it in blue currently. We have a lineup here of the beginners ATV, which is the Boulder 110 from TaoTao Motors. Again, all TaoTao Motors and all Chinese kids, youth ATVs all include the speed governor on the throttle, a safety lanyard which operates similar to a jet ski, and the wireless remote that you can kill the motor up to approximately 200 feet. We'll work our way around. A Boulder here in the pink style. Some of you guys that want a pink style, we do have one of these here in stock. We have a Ryder 7 here and the pink camo as well. We have the DB14 4-speed semi-automatic kickstart dirt bike, great beginner's dirt bike, and our super popular DB200 mini bike. I did a video, you guys can scroll down and check out the video of the DB200. It's a really fun ride, mini bike with a pull start, just like old school style. Here we have the 125D model, which is a 110, you guys. That's just the model number they put on the side. We have it in tree camo. We have the DB10 beginner kids dirt bike. Again, this is an electric start. Then we have the 28 from Apollo, which is a beginner kids dirt bike as well with an electric start. We have a nice lineup of X15s. You guys can check those out here. Again, if you guys are looking for further spec information, just go on our website, ScooterATVsales.com, and check out the additional specs. If you guys need some parts, overall universal parts, go to ScooterATVparts.com. We have another DB14 X15 here in black. We have TBR7, the Enduro, in blue and white. I did show you guys initially the green one. Walk around here to this side, another 125D I mentioned here in blue. Again, the upgraded model, the XR TForce here, the standard model in black spider, burgundy, red spider in the back, and we have the red Rival 120. We'll walk here to the back. We have some DBX1 140 from TaoTao Motors, super popular 140 kickstart. Again, this is from TaoTao Motors, really nice popular bike next to the Apollos. We have one RXF in red, which is the 140. This is Apollo's premium line. Very sturdy bike, 140cc, 4-speed manual with a kickstart. We have a nice lineup of 49cc scooters. This is the small platform, entry-level model. Come around to this side here. And we got the larger size platform, 49cc's. We just sold out on the large 150s, but we do have some 49cc's. Very practical, you guys. Again, the state of Nevada. Check your local DMV if you're out of the area, but in the state of Nevada, You need a standard driver's license. It's a one-time registration. Insurance is optional. And of course, you have to wear a helmet by law. We have the Nitro here, 49. These are all large size 49cc. Then we have the Thunderblade in blue and red that you guys can check out. We have the popular Cheetah. This is the upgraded Cheetah XR model, you guys. We've been doing very, very well on this. The kids really like it. I really like the steel foot guards on this model right here. Again, this is the XR model. We have it in red, blue, and the green color as well. Go around here to another XR TForce here. These are all upgraded models. You guys can check out the specs. Definitely worth the value. If you guys looking for an upgraded version of the standard versions, these have the nice upgraded wheels on there on both the XR TForce and as well as the XR Cheetah. And we have one left of the Pentora 150. And this is more of a full-size ATV, fully automatic, you guys, with electric start. Doing very well on this model. We've sold quite a few of these. Again, it's the 150. You guys can check out the specs as well. And again, we have our lineup here of the Boulders and TForce. Again, this is our current inventory. Inventory at our storefront, again, is very, very fluid, so that changes as well. But this is our most current inventory. You guys can, when to come down, check out the store, as well as we do advertise on Facebook, as well as we do advertise on Craigslist. So if you guys need some universal parts, it's ScooterATVparts.com. Again, our website, ScooterATVsales.com. You can find us on Instagram at ScooterATVsales as well. Hope you guys are well. Hope this was helpful. And we'll see you guys soon. Take care.